A giant construction project is tearing up the spiritual heart of Tibet.
Will it roll over my body? What are they doing here? Are they crazy? They're destroying everything.
We are in the Barkor area by the Jokang Monastery, the holy of holies of Tibetan Buddhism. For centuries, Tibetans have come here for the most sacred pilgrimage of their life.
I think there's dramatic change in Lhasa and beyond in the last few years. And there's been a transformation in the political landscape since 2008 in particular. Which you mention in the report, when protests swept across Tibet, and they were met by a crackdown with a different scope, different objectives, different intensity to ever before. And now the so-called stability maintenance policy, which aims to crush dissent, expand party rule, and also increase the powers of the security services. This policy is being imposed on a war footing in Tibetan areas. The top party boss in Tibet recently described it as the war against successionist sabotage. So this is very evident in the footage that we've just seen.